And why didn't you go to school?
I won't get anybody to cater for my dad if I'm in school.
Jesus, Lord have mercy. Listen, I'll give you my comp card. So in case of anything, just call me, yeah?
Okay, but I'm not sure you get any telephone to call you because I and my dad, we are not using it.
Try to have a phone to call me, okay? And let me know it's you.
Papa, I said, yeah, Yanko.
Papa, Nene Kasa, Mami, thank you.
Please try and be safe here and be a good girl for me, okay? You know it's very dangerous here. Okay? Take good care. Come. Well, me say young girl be on any papa na time. I'm fair young girl.
Boss, I didn't patch your young girls a chemuane, Omodo, something, Cabit, describe here.
I on any papa na time. I say, how could our papa might be here? I think any papa near blind, yeah?
Oh, yeah. Father and daughter. Oh, yeah. Me patch minimum pound, the busy, and either be our background no money in the way. Mobe, and Sunny Menin Chomusu, Bameba. Abe, I want it to father and daughter, Banaso. Oh, boss, me patch down Momoso money chance. Oh, I also me patch down my Bibiana.
No, actually, I really need them, yeah?
But I may be able to my account because I know man was wrong.
I wanted to see them, I don't want.
Are you sure? Something small for the boys.
I'll come back.
All right.
Then I made the old coming to say, Ade.
It's so not to our woman when I am confident.
Hey, why do you have to do that? I've been searching everywhere. You're not to be found.
We are sorry. The last time you gave us your card to call you, but we are not having cell phones. That's why.
Oh, no. But I told you to try your possible best. So why?
We are sorry.
The last time, didn't the guy tell you that I came there?
No, please. We have not been going around, so.
So right now, what are you doing?
Well, my dad is not feeling well, so we came to buy some food for him so that.
Sorry. Sorry, okay.
All the when was it there? Young comedy, I am a pamico.
That brother na da chain 50 cedi no or then a card my say friend.
Yeah.
Watch it. Yami sure watch it.
Amen.
Yami won't put out why?
Amen.
Bloody sure why?
Amen.
But that's a pa.
Amen.
I'm quite.
Please, can you just tell your dad that I just want to take you guys with me? Please.
Please, let me talk to you. That or say yendi na chini ni ko ni fie no nko to adro.
Hey, Dabby, what do you quite?
Please, patron, me tia squat.
Dabby, you're the higher and then I'm all.
Patron, me a bad person. Yeah?
And then if I'm born for Abba,
It's true.
then if I'm born, I could do it.
But first, for the sake of your daughter here, I just want to help you guys because she's so clever and intelligent.
Well,
Papa say minima dia no mpe opese oboa me no. Nti no tie ndi.
I'm going to create it there.
No, please. No. Ask her.
Young quite. Yeah, you're better about them.
Oh, yes, please. Let me be your partner. Let me go. Oh, sorry about what you know. I'll get you a new one, okay? Don't worry.
Stella,
See,
what from these people?
and what's the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of what? Stella, what from they?
Brother, I've explained everything to you, so why this?
Stella, just look at them, they even small. Stella,
Hey! Cut that crack. I've told you I sensed something in that girl. So what again? Please. Don't face me.
Say make it go low, take the lead, make I follow. Show you place that you don't know. As I'm passing, I tell you. I say make it go low, take the lead, make I follow. Show you love that you don't know.
Your dad is here too, so I just want him to be with us. Listen, I just want you to tell him that I'm forever ready just to help you guys, okay? So he shouldn't worry, okay? In our African society, it's very, very disrespectful to just a little one whilst the elder one is there. So let me turn into our local dialect. Meja, me person me catch you in and say, Nyankopon or purpose nipa de eden edi meeting nipa. Ntina me mpese obedi abobo be worry a lot. I'm just here forever. Semeboa ama woni nine ate. Because your daughter told me say, Yamfa nye the anwo. Sorry about that. I'm Honomana. I did a buy. Timmy doctor no so I discuss it about it. And I just want you to be cool, yeah?
Many dear, many dear. Many want some dear, so what can I say, dear, Bisa me bay. Many answer be my ya and what? Dear, family, and what? So, no, the idea why shama me, Yamania so. Yamin shrow. And ya do your baby, and then ye jinakwa sabri and suit and ye jinam. So what that room to me ye fear her. But you make a yes,
please don't do this here. Say the name is no can doctor no Hashem send me at my Friday my mom appointment date and you know God willing Friday. Ya kwa said the Madrin say bia na account no. Ye ni so na yes because he's a very special doctor. Oko India and China na ekwa surgery. Na nyewe. Wadare makawa kuma to yem, yeah? Ebi I said the musi hu na ntisa. Don't worry. Aya nya hwe because it's not good. Pacho, let me help you. Let me help you hold it. It's okay. This one.
Thank you.
Are you done with the food?
Please, I'm almost done.
Please, I'm starving, so you better be hurry, yeah?
Don't worry.
You can take your leave.
You know, our hand, I be an doko say.
We're a Coca-Cola.
What the?
Coca-Cola. Yeah, they pray and win him kakra. Alright, and Tiaja, the me person make a chew in and say, calm down. I had the anya coupon bed, eh?
Thank you very much, sir. We appreciate everything you've been doing for me and my dad.
Come on, you shouldn't be saying this because I like you. No, please sit down.
Maybe I'm monko today. I'm now say what? Se me bunko today na me dawase a. O fata, se me dawase. Oh, ura, come say no why. Sure na me nie fra. Me ne me bey gina kwa sika. She baby o be ji me free ye. Yini baby a beti me ayesa. Ura, ye me kanyina ni se Awurade shraw. Moi, what do you want me to be? Sure, and now, one mammy sume who and now, Miss Sumeniati. Ra, somewhat make a two sing a means now. A dear white shamamino. When you so, na me, woo woo, and come the Jewish baby. Na me boots sim. I'm in me pay. The yakan said, there could be a fire bomb system. I assure the one boy system. I'm a found said, bah, a found said, yeah. The whole yamamino, listen, no wood and tractor. I just war and never teaching in the one time. And sound between you and sound. To be better.
Sir, please, I want to say something. I and my dad really appreciate whatever you've been doing for us since day one. And though it's not easy, but you took care of us. And thank you so much.
No, don't do this. It's okay. We give God glory. Please, can you?
The problem is that we ah.
There is this thing, in life there is purpose for everyone that we meet. And in this life, you know, there is a purpose for everyone you meet on the road. See, some will teach you, some will encourage you, some will discourage you. But the best is your best bringing out the best in you. I'm very, very happy to see you guys being happy. Give thanks to God, especially for your wonderful good child here. That's what I say. I see this brighter future in her. And see, Mr. Badu, worry not. And I promise you guys, ni busy no, a busy. And don't worry, Mr. Ramo. Mummy are faster than you day. Emma Okasio Atasu. Glory be to God. Brother, I wanted to tell you this. Brother, I really admire that perpetual girl over there. I like her. She's so smart, intelligent. And I see this thing in her, say, in future, she's going to be one of the successful women. See, you and I really know, sir. Mejuma mi semi-free hanuma 8 years, 10 years time na meet me up back. And I don't have a family I meet my I counter it I want to so. And brother, I wanted to handle everything here for this girl. I said,
sorry, Odia, continue. I'm listening.
Is everything okay?
Material come.
Me feel say in future now, this guy is going to be one of the best ever woman ever sassy so. Inti me pese me yet this within me. And you know me for sure, brother.
Stana, Ibia na ya grow now so just let me know say I'll grow. Just tell me say Ibia, you're just kidding. I'm not sure so you're serious.
See, what do you mean say Mimi is serious? I mean my word.
Nipa no oko peke ni baby na abebo no te se wo na wia. Mom ko baby almost free by Stana to the extent that this whole property no ujai bibia mom. What is coming over you?
You call this a jeopardy? It's vanity upon vanity. Say me too quiet why anyway me could 8 years, 10 years. Me bana akonfo I hanum basa, but I feel said this is what I want to do. And besides, you know, look at this girl. Said the poor father. Me son yare and bisa on say entino me free hanum no omon go back to the street and no brother. You have to understand me and understand my feelings.
All right, oh dear, me sorry say me raising my voice. But bro, please. Stana. She minim de wia nipa esitie. Bra, me mako nipa krum aba minim de wia nipa su ene ne ban esitie. Fine. Adwena wa fa no mintimi so kwan because I know say already no what the kind I take a decision awie dada. But please and please, we speaking as brothers no, we speaking as close friends no. Listen to me, bro. Before say obey Saudi we no. I mean, watching.
Just listen. I promise you I'll make it up to you, but I'm not cool, yeah? And you know my condition now.
And so what?
So because of this issue, you are raising your voice on top of me.
I'm giving you 3 days. You better pack your things and move from this Saudi. Get me?
No,
3 days.
Bro, Jay, listen, brother. Bro.
Don't throw me, man. Don't throw me.
Jay. Brother. Jay. No, Jay.
Boss, where are they?
Mr. Bedu. It's a whole lot. I am a downfall. That's what I say. Nah, I don't know where to start the story from. I made in the cabin and when mommy just 3 days said I should just pack off. So I said, man, pack here. DBC no, and your papa at all. Trust me, so I don't know.
About 1 month, 3 days.
I swear to
Suffer
God.
to free fear.
I swear to God.
I was ready and patchuna if you are an Yawadia.
It's my own house, but at DBC and only be of help. So what I say, and I'm casting me fear idea. I see so. I were to almost bear 300,000 Ghana cedis. And
this is no natural, so I was 3 days. Pepper, they say, Yen, I into Anna.
she say, Momo Huna made Jenny.
And the compound doesn't say, yeah, my name is Banana, you say you're fine.
Listen, that's what I'm saying, sir. Or can't say no. Mohune ba ma adwene mo first say no mo be ye den. Me dia anyi bia no. Me okay ba mo.
Yo, bro. Just calm down, brother. Jonathan, listen. We can talk about this. Jonathan, move from this house. Why are you disturbing me, bro?
Jonathan, why are you doing this? Why are you embarrassing me?
No, brother. Man,
Take
it and leave, my friend.
Why?
Brother, so why don't you calm down?
I will never calm down. Pack it is the leap, man. Oh, bro. Jonathan. Masa, call now. I don't want to take us. Move.
Yeah, that's me. I'm
going. Stand up. My friend, move. Take it and go, my friend. Masa, take it and go. Who is she?
Me pacho, me banon on Kabibia.
Is she your daughter?
Yes.
My friend, come. Papa, give me some bra.
Oh, so
First one, bra. Come. Bra. Follow me. Didn't tell me phone and say, would you say I can over?
Ura, me see me ba, I do asem.
Bana me pamona o pi ba no. Like me hu du akura nim. Ti me pese me di fie no, e hye wo no ba ne nsa. Na ma siw ba na siwa. So wonyani a na ma ye ne ho ade. Se wo mo ho kwan de a me di fie ni be hye mo nsa.
Ura. Me bia me ne me ba beda na me dwene ho. Ba bia me ne me ba ye behwe. Na edin kan kwa wura no watwa me ntro. Bon sire mu ka chem se fie ne ye wo dia. Se fie ne nya wo dia. Ura, me srawo. Sa wo di fie no be hye me ne me ba nsa. Wa pamo no se na na. Se bi wo nyemi nua. Ana wo nyemi busuani. Eye mu aketua bi. No de bo me ne me ba. Ura, na mi sira me ba no so de maw. Kose. Me ba no mi sira no so de maw. So mi stand na wonya mi nua. Ana wonya madam fu bi. Nti sa wo pram no no kokora me de me. Mon ka be aye.
Okay.
Why?
What you say?
Matias me da se pa.
Akoko. One mom prince. And Mr. Bedu, where ye me amase. Mr. Bedu, anyone who make you promises.
Stana, see, I feel the one who the real nipa is swimming the bind is it here.
Omo ka se mi se asanten kayampa. Wa ma me krai e diareho. Hey! One kai papaya me yema.
I feel the one who adria a one nipa that's an eating. Gentleman, you are such a wicked man. Okay? All this drama now you see say a around now. Everything you see right now no was planned.
Bro, see, we planned it. My friend was telling me, but I was saying no, they can't just do this to me. But hey, I never knew I was living in the fool's paradise. Upon everything that you did for me, once a 1 year, I'm a cowban.
Hwɛ. Madam for plan say and got all these properties, including the cars, for the bibia a share ubanidino. Inti ya brana gentleman we pa momo no. Senka wo die chi duanu ho and na wo dru gate na no mpoa. Nka bibia ebeye modia. You were such a wicked man once again. You see, these are some of the reasons why in Tia and Ne Papa ye asan we are say. You were blind, you know it yourself. You were blind, you weren't like this. God being so good and madam for you shall look at you now. How could you do such a thing? Bonsam na yakana asem no. Bonsam no omwani nipa and omwani nipa ni omwa asase we so. I won't talk much. By the count of 3, I want you to disappear from here right now. Move out.
Jame kwaya na usame ho Rame toma na opa me ho Nipa no no Oti se kagape no kigame Onya yanka Mmobo Nansi senene yanko pati asi Mefi na miyanka mewa Sunam no bia emintino Ene gidi nasa Miyanka mewa upa